Things you have to learn from a single woman. They do know how to live to the fullest and enjoy every moment. We share everything you have to learn from a single woman. Some call them out of fashion and often say they are a bit bitter, but none of that is true. These girls do not have to worry about arriving home early and much less suffer from having to live with a controlling mother-in-law. Nowadays, many women decide to refrain from getting married. Their reasons are very diverse. Some say that being in a couple would be an obstacle to meet their goals. Others comment that the indicated one is still not here, and others are not even a little interested in falling in love again. Whatever their motive, it is valid. The important thing is that they are neither bitter nor outdated, they are simply happy. Today we want to share the odd advice of those girls over 30 who know how to enjoy their singleness to the fullest. Probably after reading these points you will want to remain single for life. 1. Sharing time with healthy friends heals all wounds. Friends are always for you, in good times, in bad times, in drunkenness, and in whatever you don't even remember. True, sometimes they scold you, but they do it because they love you. Being single is knowing that you will always have time to be with them. 2. Never conform with less. Be strong and brave. Girls in their 30s do not always want to be single, but not because of that they will settle for the first boy who comes over. Do not despair for fear of being alone. 3. Changing for a man is not an option. Single women are not willing to abandon their ideals for a man. Before loving your partner you must love yourself. No couple is worth more than your dreams. 4. Nobody tells you what you have to do. The best part of being single is that nobody tells you what you have to do. Girls who still don't get married have the freedom to do whatever they want. The childhood stage is over. Look for a partner, not a bossy dad to tell you what to do. If you want to learn more about the things you have to learn from a single woman, click or tap the link on or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Get a Man to Love You.